Not ready to change his tune now. Let's bring in Carter Worth of Worth Charting. Carter, talk to us about it.
Right. So magazine covers are a curious thing. There is a magazine cover indicator, but anyway, we'll leave that alone. The judgment from 2 Fridays ago was to start to embrace REITs. We'll look at some charts together, but it's important to note that the top 4 or 5 names, which make up about 50% of the sector, not a one, of course, is in offices. It's storage REITs like Prologis and American Tower, Tower for cell phones, and Equinix, right, for data centers or public storage and so forth. But let's look at the charts. We have 3 identical daily charts and then a longer term. So what you see here is the first chart. It has no drawings, no lines, but there is an arrow. And so why the arrow? Well, next chart. We have a well-defined downtrend. This is clear. And if you see it, the downtrend on the second chart, whether we use an automated trend line or an actual trend line. An automated trend line is what a moving average is, and that has started to turn. You can see the flattening of the line. Now look at the actual trend line. The next chart, it's the same thing, meaning we've moved above the downtrend. And then finally, a long-term chart, which really puts some of this in perspective. That well-defined uptrend line connects beautifully from the COVID low, and we've bounced off it to the penny repeatedly. And now we have converging trend lines, and we're starting to move up and out from this formation. We like this area of the market, and we think IYR or XLRE, those are the vehicles to use.
This wouldn't be the first time that a magazine jumps in at precisely the moment where the market turns in the opposite direction from what they're saying. In these ETFs, how do you know which ones have the kinds of concentrations in the kinds of properties that you might favor? In other words, some of the ETFs may have more commercial real estate, more malls and strip malls. Others may have more office buildings. Others may have apartment buildings. How can you do the second level digging to lead you in the right direction, Carter?
Sure. So you can go online and you can, the 2 big ones, it's the IYR, or again, the Spider, XLRE. They give you the weightings, and you'll note again that the biggest weighting in IYR and XL and in the actual S&P 500 sector is Prologis, which is a storage warehouses, literally, which has nothing to, but not storage like when you and I were to store an old bicycle. That's public storage, PSA, for instance, and that's also in the top 5. But American Tower, cell phones, or Equinix data centers, or Crown Castle, another tower. So of the top 5, there's not a single one that's like Boston Property or something tied to New York real estate like SL Green. And so in that sense, I don't think it quite dovetails with the magazine cover. We know there's a glut of office spaces in downtown centers across the United States.